Hi, I'm Frank Mims, back on day 4 with another tip. Closing business in the fourth quarter. Tips. Here we go. Tip number 4. Make yourself a challenger. Become a challenger in your company. Yes, strangely enough, challengers tailor-make their messages to the customer's needs. Always have, because they understand the customer. They challenge their management, getting them in a different mode, showing them that this is a need, not just a want. Challengers make things happen. Customers like challengers. They understand the business of the customer. And everything they do and everything that they put together seems to work. Because they're looking to solve problems. Challengers form new opinions. They make others have new opinions. That's what you want to be. If you want to close business in the fourth quarter and beyond, conform yourself to be a challenger in your sales, in your home, in your play life. Life will change for you. That's my tip for the day. I know it sounds a little crazy, especially when I say challenge your management, but challenge them. Make them think outside of the box. You already do. Get them on the same page that you're on. Look forward to tomorrow with tip number 5, closing business in the fourth quarter tips. This has been Frank Mims. Thanks a lot.